Hi, I'm Shelby and I just got my sandwich cutters on Amazon and I got 3 different colors. As you can see, I got yellow, red, and blue. They offer a whole bunch of different colors depending on what color you want to get to match your kitchen or of your appliances. And they are perfect for pretty much any type of sandwich. You can make a grilled cheese and cut it, and you can make a PB&J like I'm making today, or like a turkey sandwich, bologna sandwich, whatever you'd like. And my little brothers, they do not like crust, so this is super awesome. It kind of makes it like one of those Uncrustables that you buy, but way cheaper because you could do it yourself. And as you can see, I already did one right here, but if I take my other PB&J, as I put on both sides, you can choose which size you'd like to do. So I'm just going to use the red ones for right now. But this will make the sandwich about that big, and also has these to give it that like effect on the ends. And you could also choose to make it this small as well. And it comes with all these pieces. So if I actually want to do it the same size as this, so I'm going to put this on in the center, and this is perfect. The biggest size is literally perfect for just the normal bread size. So you're gonna push down, and you could put this one on top too. Try to push, and then as you can see, this is literally just peeling off around. So instead of having to use scissors or a knife and worry about cutting yourself, this is way more of a safer approach of cutting a sandwich. So as you can see, the ends have that like Uncrustable look. And what's super awesome is if you do use this to make like a grilled cheese, for example, you can also grill it afterwards and it'll be super good. And that's also good with PB&J. And yeah, these are super awesome and also very convenient, because if your kids are learning to make sandwiches themselves and you don't want them to use the knife and worry about cutting themselves, this is way safer and they can't cut themselves with this. And I just think they're super cute, super easy to use, and I highly suggest them. Thank you.